Ever grappled with the problems of insufficient ventilation, humidity, odors, and poor air quality in your garage or other remote buildings? Enter Zula Ventilation System, an innovative product from Mobeno Solar Solutions. It's solar-powered and designed for garages, sheds, attics, and more. Zula improves temperature, airflow, and humidity levels, utilizing the clean energy of the sun. Perfectly designed for easy installation, Zula replaces existing windows or mounts in gable vents. So how do you replace a garage door window with the Zula ventilation system? First, measure the dimensions of the existing window. You'll want to ensure that the Zula system will fit the short panel garage door window properly. Once you have the measurements, order the appropriately sized Zula ventilation system from MobenoSolarSolutions.com. Next, carefully remove the existing window and any inserts if you have it. This might involve unscrewing the window frame from the garage door. Always remember to wear protective gear to prevent injuries from glass shards or sharp edges. Once the old window is out, it's time to install the Zula system. Position it in the window opening, ensuring it's level and centered. Use the same screws you removed from its frame to secure the Zula system in place. After the system is securely mounted, it's time to set up the solar panel. Position it right over the front of the Zula system from the outside of the garage. Run the solar panel wires through the set hole to the inside of the garage side of the Zula. The solar panel powers the ventilation system. Secure the solar panel with 2 or more screws at the top corners of the panel into the garage door. Finally, connect the solar panel to the Zula system using the included cables, red to red and black to black wires, into the on-off switch and push it into its place at the center of the Zula. Once everything is connected, you can download the Zula app on your smartphone to monitor and control the system. That's it. You've just replaced a garage door window with the Zula ventilation system. In just a few steps, you've significantly improved ventilation, temperature control, and air quality in your garage, all while harnessing the power of the sun. In summary, the Zula ventilation system is a fantastic solution for improving air quality in garages and other remote buildings. It's easy to install, eco-friendly, and efficient. The system tackles issues of insufficient ventilation, humidity, and odors, making these spaces more comfortable and safer. With Zula, you're not just making an improvement, that you're making a difference.